So if you want to change your voice into a robot voice to just have some fun, maybe on Discord, or just to maybe troll your friends, here's how you can do it. If this video does help you out, please do leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below. By the way, I'm not responsible with what you do with your robot voice. This video is intended for a bit of fun, and I'm going to show you how you can have a laugh with your friends. So when you're on the computer and when you go to Google, you want to search for Clownfish. Now, this is going to be the program we're going to use to create a robot voice. Now, if we click on Clownfish here, it'll be the first one that comes up. You'll see this here, Clownfish Voice Changer, and you can see it's the ultimate system-wide voice changer for Windows. We can click on download here, and it's going to give us some options to go and download Clownfish, which is the voice changer we're going to use to change our voice to a robot. You can download it for Windows. I'm going to download the 64-bit version. So once it's downloaded, open up the installation wizard, and then you need to go through the installation wizard. I've already got it installed here. But all you will do is click next and go through this wizard. You can install it within around 2 minutes. So once you've got it installed, go to your desktop and you want to go to your start menu, type in Clownfish, and you should see it here, Clownfish Voice Changer. So click on that and it will open up. If you don't see it straight away, just click on your downwards arrow here. You should see it in your running programs here. Just right click on it and click Set Voice Changer. And that will open up the voice changer here. Now you can change your voice to any of these voices completely for free. But what we need to do is click on robot, and my voice should now sound like a robot. I can't hear it myself, but it should sound like a robot. I'm just going to clear effect here. So that's how you can change your voice to a robot. If you want to hear the voice yourself, right click on Clownfish, go to hear microphone, and the voice will then play through your headset so you can hear it. You can use this however you want to troll your friends, to have fun. Again, this is just made for fun. I'm not responsible, but I hope you enjoyed the video.